Curious. Look at the daily routines in a place like Kerala. People here eat fresh, wild-caught fish almost every single day. By all conventional nutritional logic, their cellular health should be pristine. But this chart shows a different reality hiding under the surface. The average omega-6 to omega-3 ratio in Kerala is 30-1. Human biology evolved to operate at a strict 3-1 balance. This imbalance is a global phenomenon. Across the planet right now, an estimated 6.3 billion people are operating with a severe omega-3 deficiency. The cause is visible in the dietary shifts of urban centers like Bangalore. The transition to modern, highly processed vegetable and seed oils has flooded the food supply with omega-6, pushing the national average in India to 47-1. Standard fish oil capsules are the most common response to these numbers. We assume that swallowing a generic supplement leads to biological correction. That assumption leaves millions in a state of chronic, hidden inflammation. Achieving cellular health requires looking past labels and measuring your actual internal metrics. To see why those store-bought supplements fail, we have to travel beneath the skin and down to the membrane of a single cell. The vast majority of retail fish oils use a synthetic molecular structure called an ethyl ester. This form is common because it is cheaper to manufacture and artificially concentrates the active ingredients. This diagram shows the cell's reaction to that synthetic molecule. Because the structure is foreign, the membrane refuses to integrate it. Compare that to a natural triglyceride found in fish. The cell recognizes this configuration, allowing it to diffuse inside. A supplement using the wrong molecular form fails to cross the cellular threshold. The nutrients are present in the body, but they are not biologically accessible. Even with the correct molecular shape, the oil must overcome oxidation. The stability of an omega-3 oil is measured by its TOTOX value, which tracks the rate of rancidity. Omega-3 molecules are highly fragile. Without a specific defense mechanism, exposure to the reactive environment of the human digestive tract causes standard marine oils to break down before they reach the target cells. In high-altitude Spanish olive groves, pre-harvest olives produce concentrated antioxidant compounds called polyphenols. When bound to marine omega-3s, polyphenols provide essential molecular stability. This plant shield prevents the fatty acids from degrading inside the body. Marine oil requires this specific plant-based protection to remain effective. Without it, the omega-3 molecule cannot survive the biological journey. The surviving omega-3 molecule faces a final challenge at the blood-brain barrier. This is the most restrictive filter in human biology. To function, the brain requires massive amounts of DHA, which it collects using a specific transporter protein called MSFSD2A. This transporter has a strict substrate specificity. It identifies the precise molecular configuration of natural DHA, preserved by its polyphenol shield. Once identified, the molecule is transported across the barrier and integrated into the neural synapse, where it begins supporting cognitive function and neural connectivity. Cognitive health depends on a delivery mechanism that meets the brain's unique biochemical requirements. This biological theory leads to a practical necessity: discovering your own cellular ratio. A clinical dried blood spot test requires 3 drops of blood from your fingertip onto a piece of filter paper. These samples are analyzed by an independent GMP-certified laboratory in Oslo, Norway, which provides a detailed breakdown of your individual fatty acid profile. The methodology for this test is validated by peer-reviewed literature and drawn from a database of over 1 million individual samples. Health management moves from subjective estimation to specific biological measurement. Human biology follows a specific timeline. Red blood cells have a lifespan of approximately 120 days before they are completely replaced. By maintaining the correct balance of protected triglycerides for that entire cycle, the body has the materials needed to replace inflamed cells with healthy, fluid membranes. At the end of those 4 months, a second blood test provides the documented proof of cellular correction. This protocol is backed by the data of over 1 million tests and the public accountability of a NASDAQ-listed corporation. This marks the transition from a marketing promise to a documented cellular result. You no longer have to trust a label. You can trust the data in your own blood.
If you're serious about taking control of your health, this is the right place to start. To learn more, connect with us today. We'll guide you through the complete process. If you're ready to get started, Simply scan the QR code provided and order your test kit directly from the official Swedish company website for India. For your safety, avoid buying from e-commerce platforms in India, as duplicate products are widely circulating. Don't compromise on what you put into your body.